So it's Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna cook some of Jeannie Baker's most favorite dishes, the Wichita potatoes and the green dessert. It's gonna come out amazing. And I'm gonna show everyone else how to do it. So first I have to make the Wichita potatoes. Everyone's excited. Got a pound of shredded hash browns. 2 pounds. Oh wow, I need a bigger bowl. 2 pounds of shredded hash browns. A 16-ounce container of sour cream. Knife. Yeah. What would you mean? I can edit it too. $16 ounces. I'm gonna put. Nope, not yet. Not yet, Munchkin. Get out of here. That's green dessert. We got a whole pack of cheese, 2 cups of cheese, cheddar. We got a half a cup of butter. I gotta melt this down though. Where you going, Sally? Definitely needed a bigger bowl. Mike, do we got a bigger bowl? A can of cream of mushroom soup. Hey, what you doing, girl? Look at my credit card. Gotta make that even. Yep, tastes pretty good. What I'm looking for. You know? And crush up cornflakes. So I got cornflakes, 2 cups. Crush them. There you go. Sure. I'm gonna finish that. It's pretty good cold too. Get my 2 cups of cornflakes. I'm just gonna spread them over the top. Throw this mother in the oven. Oh no. I think it was at 375 for like 45 minutes. kids losing it. They don't want to go to sleep for nap time. They're ready to eat. It's still pretty early. I'm not that late. Oh! The cornflakes are good. Okay, that's done. But now, let me make a second clip. So I just prepared the Wichita potatoes. Kids are freaking out. I took them in the other room. Wichita potatoes are ready to be put in the oven. But I'm going to make the green dessert now, and I'm actually going to make that first so I can eat that as like an appetizer while I wait for this to cook, because it takes 45 minutes for this. So, this is going to be 4 layers. The first layer, I got here, we have, in the first layer, a stick of butter for the base. And actually, let me grease up this pan. I'm about to melt this butter and mix it, so I might as well get my hands really gross and buttery while I do this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna microwave this. Melt that butter. So, in this one we got, actually I'm going to mix it in the same jar that I used for the, actually no, never mind. So I got in here a half cup of walnuts, half cup of sugar, and it's supposed to be a full cup of flour. But I ran out of flour, I couldn't find it at least, so I used pancake mix. Probably should still do the trick, I think. Like the main ingredient in that is flour. So let me mix this up. It's going to be a mix here. And I use turbinado sugar. I don't know if it's the right sugar. Damn it, this isn't melted enough. Can I microwave this whole thing? Probably okay, right? Need the butter to be more melted. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. I think I'm doing it wrong. Walnut, microwave that stuff. Okay, now I'm talking. I'm mixing muscles with the fatigue. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the bat lighting's pretty bad for showing you like what I'm doing, but I don't got a camera crew. Got no help out here. I like to have Sally and Magnus doing that. But they don't follow instructions that well yet. Okay. So we straight with this. Got my buttered pan. This pan might be too small. Whatever. That's patted down. It should come up because I buttered it. Gotta bake it at 375. I'm gonna put it in the summary down here. And I think for 15 minutes I didn't even. Ow! I got hit in the head playing basketball this morning. That's gonna be ready. So layer 2, I have to mix up now. Should be 18 ounces of cream cheese. These come in packets of 8 ounces each, so it's gonna be 16 ounces. It's gonna be a little low on the cream cheese, but let me get my mixer. Oh, I have it. Oh no. I don't want to mix this. So, pack of Cool Whip. I don't know, half a cup of powdered sugar. 2 packs of cream cheese. Mix this up. This is layer 2. It's going to be a heavy layer. So I'm going to make this right now while the oven preheats. It's going to be good. Oh. Well, that base tastes like cookies. I'm going to admit it now already that I got to the grocery store too late to get a turkey. The only one there was like this kosher turkey was $80. So I got really good steaks. So we're going to make steaks. But that's going to be last. Because they take the least time to cook. Oh, so that's clean. We need to clean that. I have a blender thing. But I don't know where the blending the nubs are at the end. So I'm going to have to use my hands. So, half a cup powdered sugar, I think. A cup of whipped cream, which is I guess this. 8 ounces is a cup. No. Let's do that last one. This is the best part of the whole green dessert, which also I don't have food coloring in the house, so it's gonna be white dessert. Oh, that's the preheating. Let's mix this up first. I'm running out of bowls, so I do stuff over here. Got my kitchen shears. No sabe para qué. I told you, you're gonna take me out. Sally, cuídase, mamá. Cuídase. Un pie al piso. Un pie. Así, así es. Así, así. No, no. Un pie allá. Marty, do you know where those like cylindrical things are? Those things that, Marty, the things that go in the bottom of this, do you know where they are? So I found the mixers. And I gotta hook up the little kids. They climb up to the table to help. This is a family tradition, Marty. So don't worry, it's only cream cheese and sugar and whipped cream. So you can forget about nap time, okay? It's done. So before my camera dies again, I made the green dessert, aka white dessert, in a pan that was too small, so it's super big pieces, I guess. It's not really that smooth. I don't have a real quality spreader, but it's all gonna be delicious. I made the steaks. I got one little baby steak left. I got these beautiful golden Wichitas in here. 8 minutes, and we eating, keeping it easy this year. So yeah, follow my instructions. We're gonna eat out here. Follow my instructions, and you'll have a beautiful Wichitas and green dessert for generations.